Hello everyone. Welcome to English Channel. مرحبا بكم في قناتكم الإنجليزية. Today we will learn food and drinks. الأطعمة والمشروبات. We will learn the names of food and drinks in English and how to use them in simple sentences. Let's start. لنبدأ. Food. الأطعمة. Bread. خبز. I eat bread every day. Rice. أرز. Rice is very popular. Chicken. دجاج. I like chicken. Meat. لحم. Meat is delicious. Fish. سمك. Fish is healthy. Egg. بيضة. I eat an egg for breakfast. Pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. Sandwich. Sandwich. I eat a sandwich. Soup. حساء. Soup is hot. Cheese. جبن. Cheese is tasty. Drinks. المشروبات. Water. ماء. I drink water every day. Milk. حليب. Milk is good for me. Tea. شاي. I drink tea in the morning. Coffee. قهوة. My father drinks coffee. Juice. عصير. I like orange juice. Soda. مشروب غازي. Soda is not healthy. Simple sentences. جمل بسيطة. I like food and drinks. I eat rice and chicken. I drink water every day. I like milk and juice. Pizza is my favorite food. Short dialogue. حوار قصير. Teacher. What food do you like? أنس. I like pizza and chicken. Teacher. What do you drink? أنس. I drink water and milk. Reading text. نص قصير للقراءة. My favorite food and drinks. I like food and drinks. For breakfast, I eat bread and eggs. I drink milk and tea. For lunch, I eat rice and chicken. I drink water. In the evening, I eat a sandwich and soup. I like juice very much. Exercise. Milk is A. Food. B. Drink. Rice is A. A drink. B. Food. Exercise 2. I drink blank every day. I eat blank for breakfast. Great job, everyone. Practice every day. Use these words in your daily life. استعمل هذه الكلمات في حياتك اليومية. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson.